Alright, scrappers, welcome back to the channel. After a couple of days of searching through every scrapyard I could find, nobody would sell any of the stuff in the yard. So I'm changing gears and I'm going back to these aluminum things that I got from the hotel. And I'm going to use this to put down on the top of the bench until we can find something better. But I got to cut these legs off. So I'm going to do a time lapse for you on how long it takes me to clean those up. Yeah, I think this will work good on the top of the bench. Okay, scrappers, we got them all cut off, and I think I got all the weld off, so I hope it'll lay flat. Maybe a little bit right here I got to get yet. Feels rough with my finger there. Anyways, yeah, I think this is gonna work. The only thing I'm worried about is that maybe if I pound on this thing, it'll sound like a bell. I don't know. No, I guess not. So I don't know. What do you think? Should I just do one right here? Or do two of them and put it this way? You know, I could go... I could go way over to here. And then another one here. You know, put this one in here, so we'd have, I don't know what that is, almost 2-3 feet. Nah, it can't be that much. How come I don't have a ruler when I need one? Not a ruler. It's not a ruler. It's a rule. 27 inches by 21 and a half. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I guess I could always add one if I wanted to, right? How does this look in the videos? Is it looking kind of weird and making you look sick? Or making you feel sick because of this wiggly pattern in there? I don't know. All right. It seems to be this area of the bench that really gets the worst demolition. So I'm thinking we'll just do this right here for now. I can always go back and add one and turn them around if I want to. And yeah, so now all we gotta do is screw it down. And it means we're gonna have to drill some holes in there. And yeah, I wonder if I'm gonna have some decent screws, because this is an oak table, so I'm gonna have to probably, after I get the holes through it and I'm ready to screw it down, I'm probably gonna have to drill some pilot holes into that oak. So, all right. Okay, I'm gonna grab some drill bits and see if we can drill some holes in there. I'm gonna look for some screws, and I know you don't want to watch all of that, so I'll get back to you when we're ready. All right, scrappers, change of plans. One, I didn't have, of all the screws and nuts and bolts and everything I got, I don't have 4 that would really be proper for holding this down. And even if I drill the holes, I need to countersink them, and I can't find a countersinker in any of my junk. So we're gonna change gears and we're gonna go and get those things. But I also have this here little eBay shipment that I gotta drop off at the post office, because the mail lady was really efficient this morning and got here before I got it out. And we're gonna do a scrap pickup too before we get snow here, and they're buried until spring. So yeah, it ought to be fun, and hopefully you'll stick around and ride shotgun for me. Look at this, is where I mailed my letter to Santa. Now to the scrap pickup. Look at this stupid tree. I think they'd have just cut it down and planted something new. Okay, I think we're coming up on the scrap pickup here. This is my niece Tori. She's got lights.
We got lights. They're right here.
Oh, 3 of them. Hopefully they'll fit in the back trunk of the car. Yeah. So you done with work already?
I just worked.
She's got apple in her mouth.
I just worked 32 hours in 2 days. I worked 2 doubles in a row.
2 doubles in a row. Well, that's gotta suck.
Okay. But I'm off now, so it don't matter.
Yeah. Holy cow, they just barely fit in there. I mean, just barely. So that's a good thing. All right, scrappers. They didn't quite fit all the way in to close the trunk, but we made her back to the old scrap shed here. So we get these unloaded, and then we'll go to Menards. Okay, I think what we're looking for should be around here somewheres. I think 3/8 would be the one to use, hopefully. And I found some health food too. Okay, scrappers, we're back from Menards. We got the stuff. Hopefully we can get this thing mounted and get on to making some other types of videos. So yeah. Okay, where's something to cut this with? Right here, huh? Now I'm hoping that this 3/8 inch reamer is gonna be the right one. She don't want to come out of the package, that's for sure. Let's try one of these screws once. Is that going to be the right? Oh, it might be a little tiny bit small. Shoot. Oh well, we'll figure it out. Next biggest size was 1/2 inch, so that wouldn't have been right either. All right, I put some lines on this to just kind of give us a spot to do these in, but I think I'm going to move it in just a tad. Oh, I should have said watch your ears. Right there, now we need a drill bit, preferably a sharp one. Wonder what size that's gonna be. Number 12, right? Should be numbered like the screws are. It's probably gonna be this 5/16. No, that ain't gonna even fit through there. It's gotta be bigger than that. How about this one? 1/4 inch? Quarter inch will do it. All right, let's do the 1/4 inch. Oh, look at that thing just teetering there. She's teetering. That's probably a 1/4 inch one right there. This one's never been used though, so let's try that one. I should put this over here where we're going to be covering it up. In case I drill a hole in the table. Then it'll be under the plate. One, look at that, made it all hairy for cripe's sakes. Two down. Maybe those will help keep the bit cool. Woohoo! Look at there. She's all nice aluminum. Is that sheet aluminum? Huh? We'll put it in the sheet aluminum. All right, now we got to countersink them. And hopefully this little countersinker will do the trick. Uh-oh. Is that gonna do it? Where's our screw? Here it is. Ooh, I think it's gotta go a tad more. a tad more. That's pretty close. It's still not flush. Let's try her a little more. Trying to get the hole to be a little bit bigger because it's still not. It's still not there, but I think, I don't know, we'll try go deeper. Go deeper, man! All right, let's try that. I don't know if it's ever going to get any deeper than that because of the diameter of that. So I guess we'll just go with that. All right. I should have probably painted this before we screwed. I don't know what happened there, but the GoPro decided to shut off. And yeah, so let's see if I can sweep this off quick. Should have painted it, but the paint that I used was, it's actually over at the hotel right now. Where's my little brush? Here it is. Good old paintbrush. Why do we get so picky about this stuff when we build it and then we beat the heck out of it? I can't fall in love with this stuff because it won't stay this way anyways, right? Boy, that stuff doesn't sweep up very nice. All them shavings. Guy should have a vacuum to do this. Maybe I can just brush it on the floor. You know, mix with some other stuff. Make good sweeping compound. All right. Oh, I just threw aluminum away. Okay. Now, what do we think here? How close do we want it to the edge? I'm thinking like right there, huh? Should we mark the holes? Mark the holes. In case it moves. And now we're going to use a pilot bit, just to make sure we don't, that it'll screw in there good. Well, what the heck is going on with that? All right, there. All right. I should have put a hidden message underneath this and revealed it a year later or something. All right, now we need a good large size screwing device. I think I got some bigger ones in here. Let's see what we got going on. Because I think it's going to take one like this size. Yeah, to fit in there nice. All right. I think this little drill is going to have enough get up and go to screw that in there. Let's hope so. Screw number one. There we go. Where's the screws? Here they are. Got them. Don't worry. Don't panic. Could have put another one right there maybe. And yes, they're stainless steel screws too. See, stainless. So that's how we roll. We don't we don't cheap out on that stuff. There. I think that is gonna be good. So if you stuck with me this long, be sure to tell all your friends about the Scrap-Meister and his new bench. And watch one of the videos on screen now.